CFA Level 2 Professional. 1. Quantitative methods. Quantitative methods in CFA Level 2 emphasizes advanced statistical analysis and predictive modeling used in investment management. Candidates study multiple regression, time series forecasting, machine learning, and big data applications. The curriculum develops skills in identifying model misspecification, interpreting forecasting accuracy, and applying statistical methods to investment problems. Strong quantitative reasoning supports portfolio construction, risk analysis, security valuation, and evidence-based financial decision-making. 2. Economics. Economics focuses on currency exchange rates, international parity conditions, economic growth, and macroeconomic influences on financial markets. Candidates analyze foreign exchange valuation, carry trades, and central bank interventions while understanding how demographics, productivity, technology, and government policies affect long-term growth. The topic strengthens the ability to interpret macroeconomic conditions and evaluate how global economic trends influence asset prices and investment opportunities. 3. Financial statement analysis. Financial statement analysis develops advanced skills in evaluating reporting quality, multinational operations, inter-corporate investments, and financial institutions. Candidates learn to interpret accounting treatments under IFRS and US GAAP, assess earnings sustainability, and analyze pension obligations and share-based compensation. The curriculum emphasizes identifying reporting distortions, adjusting financial statements for comparability, and evaluating the quality of earnings, cash flows, and balance sheets for investment decisions. 4. Corporate issuers. Corporate issuers examines corporate payout policies, restructuring activities, ESG considerations, and cost of capital decisions. Candidates analyze dividends, share repurchases, acquisitions, spin-offs, and financing strategies to understand their effects on shareholder value and financial performance. The curriculum also explores governance practices and sustainable investment considerations. These concepts strengthen the ability to evaluate corporate strategies, capital allocation efficiency, and long-term business sustainability. 5. Equity valuation. Equity valuation is a core Level 2 topic focused on determining intrinsic value using dividend discount, free cash flow, residual income, and market-based valuation models. Candidates assess growth assumptions, valuation multiples, and forecasting methods while comparing relative and absolute valuation approaches. The curriculum strengthens analytical judgment in identifying undervalued or overvalued securities and applying valuation models to public and private companies across varying business environments. 6. Fixed income. Fixed income covers interest rate dynamics, arbitrage-free valuation, credit analysis, and securities with embedded options. Candidates learn to analyze yield curves, duration, convexity, credit spreads, and interest rate volatility. The curriculum also introduces valuation using binomial trees and Monte Carlo simulations. Credit default swaps and structured products are examined to strengthen understanding of fixed income risk management, pricing mechanisms, and portfolio applications in institutional investing. 7. Derivatives. Derivatives focuses on pricing and valuing forwards, futures, swaps, and options using arbitrage principles and mathematical valuation models. Candidates apply binomial and Black-Scholes, Merton frameworks to evaluate contingent claims and interpret option sensitivities known as Greeks. The curriculum strengthens understanding of hedging, leverage, and volatility management. These concepts are essential for managing market exposures, designing investment strategies, and evaluating derivative instruments within portfolios. 8. Alternative investments. Alternative investments introduces commodities, real estate, REITs, and hedge fund strategies as portfolio diversification tools. Candidates analyze commodity pricing, futures returns, property valuation, and hedge fund classifications. The curriculum explains how alternative assets behave differently from traditional equities and bonds, providing potential diversification and inflation protection. Understanding valuation methods, risk exposures, and portfolio applications enables more comprehensive investment analysis and strategic asset allocation. 9. Portfolio management. Portfolio management emphasizes active management, multi-factor models, ETFs, risk measurement, and investment simulations. Candidates evaluate economic influences on asset returns, measure value added through information ratios, and apply value at risk methodologies. The curriculum develops practical understanding of portfolio construction, tracking risk, and backtesting investment strategies. These concepts support informed asset allocation decisions, performance evaluation, and effective management of institutional and individual investment portfolios. 10. Ethical and professional standards. Ethical and professional standards form the foundation of the CFA program by promoting integrity, professionalism, and investor trust. Candidates study the CFA Institute Code of Ethics and Standards of Professional Conduct, applying them to realistic investment scenarios. The curriculum emphasizes ethical decision-making, prevention of misconduct, and responsibilities toward clients and markets. Strong ethical judgment supports credibility, regulatory compliance, and long-term success in the global investment profession.